Hello guys, today we were once again in the woods and I was pretty lucky because I was able to find this one. Look at that. And Live Your Life Better did write in a comment if I was able to make a video about a recipe with mushroom. In this case with boletus, okay? Look at that. Really nice, really yummy, delicious, I think. And so today I'm going to prepare noodles with sauteed mushroom. This one. To make this recipe you need mushroom, garlic, and cat's mince. In this case I'm going to use the parsley because here in Germany I wasn't able to find any cat mince. Okay, let's start with the recipe. Okay guys, in a pan a bit of olive oil, and then I'm going to cut the garlic. And then of course when the garlic became brown, I'm going to use a little bit more of the garlic I need because I like the garlic a lot. I don't care if some other smell the garlic no good, but I like it and I'm going to use it. See you soon, eh? Okay guys, while we waiting for the garlic, we start to cut the mushroom in pieces. Because once the really nice mushrooms, look at that, how green is it? I love it. It's a really pity that I don't have the cat mince for real, because with the cat mince it was really nice. It was better, okay? It's going to be really nice anyway, because if the product that you are going to use is of the first quality, the dish will be amazing for sure. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, as you can see, the garlic start to freeze. Then I will add the entire mushroom. Look at it. I don't want to burn the mushrooms. That's why I'm going to take a bit of water of the pasta, of the noodle, to they put it together with olive oil and with the mushroom, to let the mushroom cook in a better way that just with oil, just with olive oil. Okay, it's going to be good anyway, and it's not going to burn up. We can put the stove a little bit less. We can turn the stove a little bit less high than actually is, and you see the noodle. Hey, too much. What up? Too much. These noodles are not really good, you know. One moment before the noodles were really hard, and one moment after they became overcooked. I don't know why, but anyway, the mushroom seems really good, eh? Look at that. Look at that. It's a really pity that you cannot smell the smell of the mushroom, because it's really amazing, guys, amazing. And now we are going to waiting a little bit, and see you soon, eh? Okay, guys, I think that the time to add the pasta is came. So let's add the pasta together with the mushroom. Okay, and I would like to put on the pasta a bit of Parmesan cheese. For sure it's going to be perfect. Wait. No. Look, this one you have to add this one just at the end, not before, because if it's going to cook too much the parsley, it will become toxic. Okay, don't forget it. And of course the Parmesan too. I'm going to be pretty generous because I'm going to eat this dish, you know. So I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Look at how it's creamy. It became creamy. Of course, once I put it in the dish, in the plate, I'm going to add extra virgin olive oil once again, because yeah, it's finished. I think it's finished. Okay guys, I'm here once again. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I save the rest for after. Because no one says that want a bit of pasta with boletus. So I'm going to eat it just for myself. As I said to you before, olive oil once again on the pasta, and that's it guys. Enjoy your meal.